Greetings one and all, good morning, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Fired Up Friday. This time I remembered to bring the steel wool and the batteries, so let's dive right into it. But first let's jump to this week's. I got a new sticker and this week's channel shout out. Alright, so first things first, we got a new sticker from James G at Outdoors. Awesome brother, real good dude. If you're not watching James G, you should check him out. I got him right here as well, so it looks like just a different color, so that's badass. Thank you, James, appreciate that. I'll get that on the board as soon as I do this week's channel drawing. So I'll get those in. Let's see if is one gonna come flying out, and it does. So we have Down East Primitive Skills. Cool guy. He's actually been watching my channel for quite a while, so I will link his channel down in the description. And let's get to the burn. Alright. I want to say real quick, I love that this is separated on the back, because sometimes these stickers are a pain in the butt to open up. I'm going to put you right underneath plain old Chuck. Sweet. I guess I left a little gap there, but I don't mind. Alright, so thank you very much, James. Appreciate it. Link to his channel will be down below if you're not already subscribed. Good dude, real good dude. So let's get to the burn. Oh, and shout out for Primitive Down Survival. Wow, I forgot his channel name. Awkward. Alright, what I thought I'd do is I do a little behind the scenes. Excuse me, as I choke on nothing. Do a little behind the scenes so you guys can actually see how I filmed some of these. So I got the camera here going. It's on, but it's not recording yet, so I'm going to zoom in on the bundle. And then hit record. And then kill the light. Or not. Alrighty. Some plastic on here. Alrighty. Some plastic on here. Well, it's lighting up, but it's not. Wow, doesn't seem to want to do anything. I know the batteries are good because I just got them not long ago. Alright, well. And in true YouTube fashion, everything's got to fall to the bottom of the bag. Guess we'll try hitting it with a ferro rod. I'm a little surprised at that. Let's put the scraper away. Get the knife out. Alright. Get the knife out. Alright. Well, actually hit the bark first. Wow, that's being stubborn today. So the steel wool's going up, and it immediately goes out. Wow, it's struggling today. There we go. Okay, there wasn't any moisture in there, so really there was no reason for that to be struggling like that. Well, anyway, happy Friday. As always, I appreciate you watching. Love the stove, Bruce. 10 for 10. You'll probably be seeing it pretty much every Friday because I just like it. Man, a little struggle with the cedar bark. I'm a little surprised. The D-cell battery didn't work very well either. I mean, it was a really thin gauge steel wool, but it's like you shouldn't have to have special rules and special steel wool to make a damn fire. So, a little surprised by that. So, alright, well, as always, have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll catch you on the next one.